What's the meaning of cock-a-doodle-doo? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo is an onomatopoeic representation of the loud crowing sound made by roosters in the morning, usually at dawn. The phrase is often associated with the start of a new day, as it signals the awakening of both the roosters and humans alike. Additionally, the sound has also become a symbol of rural life and is used in various forms of media, such as literature and advertising, to evoke a sense of nostalgia or simplicity. Overall, cock-a-doodle-doo represents the natural rhythm of life and the beginning of a new cycle.